Monopoly Express machine. Got the triple five. On $3 bet, pick with a nominee.
Collect as many trains as you can.
I don't know what that means.
Here we go!
Alright, that's not very good. See if the purple are better. Get a minor.
Keep them coming.
Alright, each one is 20 bucks. We have 4 reds, so I think red's the best. I'm gonna get a lot of value here.
Keep
There we go.
on rolling.
Wow. That's 50 times 4. And I don't know what the gold does. Let's see. Wow. Over 100 bucks so far. Ooh, get a
Run
penny.
that money train all the way
Wow.
home.
Nice. That's the minor?
You're
Wow.
such a good dog.
Holy smokes, 240 bucks plus everything on the screen.
Ooh. Wow, nice one.
500 bucks.
Ring a ding ding.
$3
Congratulations. Wow, how'd you do that?
Wow. One more backup spin. Thanks for watching.